How to change the owner on a group chat on a GroupMe. Hey guys, let's get started. If you want to change the owner in GroupMe application, the steps are quite simple. Just tap on and launch the application. Click on the group in which you want to change the ownership. Then tap on the username or the group name. And then tap on gear-like icon which denotes the settings. Tap on settings and you will see all the information related to the group. Now scroll down under group actions, you must see the option called as change owner. From here you will see all the names of the members who is involved in the group. In order to change the ownership to any one of them, tap on their username and you will see the option which says transfer ownership. Once you have confirmed it, you cannot undo the action. Just tap on transfer owner and you're good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.